Bhadelia. I'm an infectious diseases physician at Boston Medical Center and the Director of Infection Control and Medical Response at the National Emerging Infectious Diseases Laboratories at BU. I think if there's one thing that the Ebola epidemic really demonstrated is the failure that we have in linking in large emergencies the individual quality of care to patients. And I think that's part of the promise of precision medicine. I mean, the other is actually taking the knowledge from an individual patient and being able to feed back to research to understand pathogenesis better. So some of the ways that I think precision medicine can help: first, it can help with early surveillance systems, identifying new pathogens by looking at subgroups of populations. The other is things like big data can help pick up changes in population and subgroup presentations, early presentations of outbreaks. One would be looking at, as I said, individual patients to see how are they progressing differently from other patients in the disease, and what does that say about their immune system? What does that say about how the pathogen interacts with them, and what can we learn to build on that? One example would be we, within Ebola treatment units, started noticing that many people actually presented with a lighter version of the Ebola disease. It's not always severe as been portrayed. So what's different about the folks that present with a lighter disease, and what can we learn from that? And then lastly, of course, things such as proteomics can help us identify new targets for drug therapies. I think any platforms that help link clinical practice with research, as with many rare diseases that we're learning about, as well as emerging pathogens, which again, because of their very nature, are emerging. They're at the horizon of our knowledge. An institute such as the Global Care Initiative can actually help transmit knowledge in real time. It can help not only make clinical decisions more informed, but also feedback to help researchers understand what the real targets are and hence invest money in the right way.